In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Shopify email template. So to be able to find your Shopify email template, you're simply going to navigate through your settings. So first things first, you're going to have to go to your home page, or basically the default page of Shopify. Then you're going to have to select settings over here. This is the settings over here on the bottom left. And once you select that, a pop-up will appear of the settings over here. So simply scroll down. You're going to have to focus over here on the left side. Scroll down and you will be able to see this option, notification. So simply select that. And over here, you will be able to see that there is the option to customize email templates. So simply click on customize email templates. And you will be able to see your template over here. As you can see, this is the template that is currently default in Shopify. So to be able to customize this, the different things that you can customize are basically just the logo, and like the logo size, you will be able to change it, all of those stuff. And you can even change the accent color. For example, let's change it to red. Here we go. Well, that's not going to apply right away. But to be able to actually edit it, there is no actual editing, like in-depth editing, where you can change the position of the different things. So there aren't really much of a choice with how the email is presented. The only thing that you will be able to customize in actuality is the logo or the logo size over here, depending on how big your logo is, how much you want it to be seen, and the accent color over here, which is not really showing up. Let's try saving it. There we go. If you click on save, you will be able to preview the update or the appearance of your email, as you can see here. So you can try out and test out the different color that you want, and simply trial and error until you get the color that you are trying to look for, or the color that is fairly satisfying to you as the user or the owner of the email as well. And after this, you will be able to customize it. You can even try it out if you want, but I don't think there's a process for you to send a customer or a trial email. But anyway, that's how you will be able to customize it. Now, to be able to actually do any major changes on your email or this email template is to modify the titles of your products over here. Right now, this product is just a bunch of words put together to attract some SOE. But if you'd like to be more cleaner, you could have like a cleaner setup for your product, and it will look cleaner, of course, over here. And that's basically it. That is how you will be able to customize your email template. Now, there isn't, unfortunately, too much you could do with it, but let's do a quick recap. Simply go to your homepage or the default page, go to settings, look for the option notification, and you will be able to customize and edit your email template through that process. And that's basically it now for guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.